Hey everybody, Scorpion here. Alright, so this gentleman over here has put out a microwave challenge. He says you need a stopwatch in the video and all that stuff, which is great, but I'm too fast for even a stopwatch, okay? Just smoking fast. So y'all stick around, I'm gonna show y'all how to do a microwave.
Rock bottle on the track, boy.
Okay, y'all ready? Here we go. First thing you can do is you're gonna snip the cord off. Then you're gonna do this, and you're done. How do you like that? GoPro, stop recording. All right, so we're gonna be serious. It is 10, 12, and 10 seconds. So let's see what we can actually do. I didn't even look to see if I had the right tools before I started. Should have known you're gonna have safety screws on here. So this is gonna be the fan that I'm loosening up now.
You don't have the right safety screw? There you go.
Well, you know.
Oh, yeah. You're not in a hammer and chisel.
He wants me to hammer and chisel it.
Or,
I think I'm just gonna reach over there in that little box and grab the right bit.
you could use a hatchet.
Yeah. We'll see what happens if I do it the right way though.
Jay calls it an axe, but actually it's a hatchet.
That's right. So I'll have to go back in this video to find out what time I started because I don't remember.
10, 11.
Ooh, I'm already at 13 something. I need to take it off till you finish that one. I'm out of shape. Good day. Arms already getting tired. He's over here trying to sabotage me. He's putting the axe or hatchet on top of my screws that I need to get to. So while we're doing this, if you like these little challenges and different things that we do from time to time and giveaways we do, be sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, leave us a comment, let us know what you think. Now that I've dropped this thing on its corner, doing it the fast way, it probably won't come apart. So tell me that's right, how far are we supposed to get with this?
All the way down to ready to scrap.
All the way down to regular scrap. Like completely torn down to like ready to go in its spots.
Yep.
You
You don't have to put the on down.
Y'all remember the capacitors in here? If it's been recently used, and I haven't had this one long, so I don't know when the last time was it was used. Capacitor will give you a jolt if you don't.
Always ground it out with.
Yeah, a lot of people will ground them out. I'm just careful with what I do. I know how my luck goes. So everybody has a different opinion on how far is considered, wow, ready to tear down, or to finished, maybe I should say.
Case out, the transformer out, all the wires out of it. Copper turntable motor. Everything that you normally do. Wires going all the way down to the mile.
Well, I mean, that's kind of it.
Everybody goes down to the Mylar, so you know.
Some people go after the Mylar, and some people go after the circuit boards, and I will tell you, this part's a whole lot faster if you just smack it with a hammer once or twice instead of taking these screws out. Now smack it. Hopefully.
Throw your plastic too far. You gotta throw all your plastic and metal together, you know, separate.
This isn't going to be one of those that has like 80 screws in it. Now, I've heard some people say you can send a capacitor as aluminum breakage. So, that's entirely up to you. There's your third motor. The rest of the wire. Yeah, there's another one somewhere. Oh, it's underneath that. So who was it that did the original?
Dusty Blonde.
Dusty Blonde. And you're gonna link her in your video, right?
What?
You gonna link her in your video?
Yeah. You show me how to do that?
Yeah. And I'll try to link her in this one.
She's not on YouTube no more, but she's still has her channel though.
But her time was under 10 minutes. So that's it?
Got it?
Is that it?
I don't know, you tell me, is that it? You got all the scrap off it?
Well, no, not for me.
Well, yeah, you got all the scrap off it, then that's it.
I mean, I've got everything off of it. It's 10:20
Alright.
and 30 seconds. I wasted a couple seconds, but that's all right. It's definitely broken down into its pieces.
Oh man, you ain't gotta worry about breaking the transformer down. I mean the magnetron part.
So you don't have to break this part down?
No. There's a lot of people still stuck.
think it was 10 minutes and 10 seconds.
All right, 10 minutes. 10 minutes.
Not bad.
Not bad.
I really hate these things though.
What's that?
I hate breaking these down.
I'll do it. Easy. Helps out a voice.
So your magnetron, you got copper back here. You've got copper in it. You've got 2 magnets, and you've got aluminum sheet.
Brass.
Yeah, and your brass ring. I already took that off and showed it to you. But I go a little bit further than most people do. So I'm going to pull that circuit board out. I see one IC chip underneath the readout there. I got a transformer on the back. You're going to have contacts in this if that's something you want to go after for silver. That one's being a pain, so we're going to have to do a little extra here. By the way, microwaves are great for putting screws in until they're full and then loading in the trailer.
Remember to take it back up.
So I go after this. So that's basically Mylar, same as in a keyboard. And those traces you can see in it are silver. So you can separate this out and get that silver off of there. And collect the silver off of it. So basically that's it. You got your fan motor, you got your turntable motor, which by the way run on 120 volts. You can plug these in the wall and they will work. You don't need a transformer or anything. And then you got the transformer. Should we check it? So the stuff ones on top almost look like brass. I believe that's aluminum. And bottom's definitely aluminum. So, motors. Hope y'all enjoyed, and we'll see y'all next time. GoPro, stop recording.